Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, is crucial because it can save lives in emergency situations where a person's heart has stopped beating or they have stopped breathing. Here are the key reasons why CPR is important. Maintains blood flow. CPR helps to manually circulate blood to the brain and vital organs, providing oxygen and delaying tissue death until professional medical help can arrive. Increases survival chances. Immediate CPR can double or even triple the chances of survival after cardiac arrest, particularly if performed within the first few minutes. Buys time. CPR keeps the blood flowing, which buys time for emergency responders to arrive and provide advanced care, such as defibrillation or medications. Prevents brain damage. By ensuring that oxygen-rich blood reaches the brain, CPR helps prevent brain damage, which can occur just minutes after the heart stops beating. Empowers bystanders. Knowing CPR empowers bystanders to take action in an emergency, potentially saving the lives of friends, family, or strangers. In summary, CPR is a critical life-saving technique that can make a significant difference in emergency situations, often determining the outcome for the patient.